it as you come over the top to go into the buzzsaw on the side. And if you looked at it from the back view, it would be like this, where you sweep up over the top, shorten it as you come into it, into the overhand buzzsaw on the left. What's useful is to start with the wrap from here. So if you mirror me, yeah, let's do your left hand first. Your left hand first. If you mirror me, it's on the outside. What I want you to do is do the same thing where you're gonna stick your fingers out like this on the inside as you do a figure 8, and then pinch it to shorten it. So if you watch me here, I'm on the outside, I do a figure 8, stick my fingers out, wrap it around, pinch it, and it's short. Let's do that, say 5 times. Facing me, we're gonna overhand, and 5, 6, 7, 8, come in, wrap, pinch, short, and then keep it going. And then we'll flip it to the outside, release it as you do, 5, 6, 7, 8, flip, wrap, pinch, and you're gonna keep it in line with your left nipple, basically. Because if you have it too far over, it'll interfere with the other poi, so you wanna keep it on its own side. Imagine there's a piece of plexiglass here, separating it and keeping it from hitting the other one. Release to the outside, and 5, 6, 7, flip it in, wrap and pinch, keep it on its own side, keep it going, and release to the outside, release to full length, and 5, 6, 7, 8, flip it to the inside, wrap, pinch, short poi, and now one more time, release it to the outside, and 5, 6, 7, 8, bring it in, wrap, boosh. All right, now let's do the other hand. So you're mirroring me, this is your right hand, this is my left hand. Do the same thing, 5, 6, 7, 8, figure 8, wrap it around your hand, pinch, keep it on its own side, and release to the outside, 5, 6, 7, 8, flip it in, wrap, pinch, keep it on its own side, and release to the outside, 5, 6, 7, 8, flip it in, and wrap and pinch, and release to the outside, 5, 6, 7, 8, flip it in, wrap, pinch, and release the outside. Let us review again your left hand. I am mirroring you still. 5, 6, 7, 8, bring it to the inside, wrap and pinch, and release the outside. That one was better. 5, 6, 7, 8, and bring it in, wrap, pinch, keep it on its own side, flip it to the outside and release, and 5, 6, 7, 8, wrap and pinch, bring it, keep it on its own side, keep it going. Okay, now we're gonna do something crazy. We're gonna try both poi. So let me show you how this will look. I'll show you from the side first. They're both going in overhands. You're going to bring them both to the inside, wrap and pinch, and then it'll be in same time. And then as soon as you're ready, you can split the time. Now, if you get comfortable enough, you can do it this quickly, where you're on the outside, 5, 6, 7, 8, wrap, pinch, and boom. I actually came in and was in split time as I was wrapping coming in. So do what you need to do to start out with. I think it's easier to start out in the same time. Okay, so we're here, we're on the outside. We're gonna try this. 5, 6, 7, 8, flip it in, wrap it up, then split the timing. Overhand. 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll flip it in, wrap it up, go into split time, and remember to use your wrists and keep relaxed and breathe. And pretend you're not afraid it's gonna thwack you in the face. Right now, you kind of look a little like this. You're doing this and then you're like, so you have really great flow face. What you're doing right now is going to help you when you get to fire, because the reality is, if I'm doing this on fire, this is nowhere near my face, right? But on fire, the flame is much bigger. And what's happening is, as it's spinning around, the flame comes up. And then if the wind comes, it'll come at your face. So you will feel it. So it's your instincts are absolutely correct. You are safer than I think you imagine yourself to be.